Hi everyone. So this is episode 2, part 2. Today's towards the end of the day. I'm about done. I'm gonna probably just clean up after this video. I cut the back end off the two-tone coupe, and I screwed it together on the red car. I didn't weld it quite yet because I want to take some extra measurements and do a little bit of finesse with it, just get it in the right perfect spot. But for the most part, it all mocks up really well, and I'll show it to you. So here is the new rear end. I already screwed the wide body back on because I wanted to get it in the right spot as far as like how far back it goes. Want to try to get it pretty centered up. I put the new trunk lid on with the hinges off the old or the two-tone car, and then as you can see, I haven't welded the spot welds yet back, but I will probably Tuesday because I'll be going tomorrow. I'll take a day off, and then Sunday and Monday I will be working. So, but as you can see, it fits up pretty well. I mean, a little bit of adjustments and a little bit of tweaking, but it should fit up pretty nice. Let me set this down. And this, of course, is just me throwing it on here. As you can see, I'm using the step or my stool to hold in the back end up so that it don't sag on me while I was playing with it. So it all fits up pretty well. All the gaps are relatively close to stock. I mean, they should be because it's basically a stock rear that wasn't tore up. So here's the old car. You can see how I cut it. Basically just took a Sawzall and a cut saw blade and just ripped it apart. So, and then for those who kind of feel bad for me tearing apart a two-tone coupe, you can see there's a lot of rust on the bottom of this car. It really wasn't worth saving anyways, but here it is. So I left the car to where it's still run and drive so I can move it around the garage, behind the garage, load it up on my buddy's trailer when they eventually come and get it. So pretty much that's it for now. I attempted to get this done in one day or in 2 days. I'm pretty excited about it. As you can tell, I'm tired, I'm dirty. I don't really feel like working out here anymore. I gotta clean up my garage and put everything up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'd like to make it a little better. The next couple episodes, I want to try to church it up a little better and make it a little more entertaining. It's just today it was real hot, and I mean it's just dusty and nasty with rust and metal shavings all over me. So I'm just want to cut it to an end. So, anyways, I'll say what up to my sponsors, same as yesterday, and hope you guys enjoy this. Looking forward to adding more videos and whatnot. So, see ya.